learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hakka people believe education is important and hold scholars in high regard. Because of this, people wouldn't even throw away a piece of paper with writing on it. This is why in the early days, there were people who were appointed to collect these papers for incineration at a designated pavilion. This was their way of showing respect to the scholars. The Wonbi Pavilion in Shishi Village serves such a purpose, with its three-tiered tower, each level representing a great teacher. Even the surrounding area is a representation of four treasures: the pen, ink, paper, and inkstone. Many come here to pray for good results on exams.
Hey everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka here on Icrt.
Hello， 大家好，我是bingo Leo。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And with Leo, we get to travel around Taiwan, and every month we try to focus on one area that has a lot of Hakka culture.
超哥，我们今天来去屏东县竹田乡喜思村。
竹田乡嘛，
对，
其实离屏东市还蛮近的地方，
对，隔壁
客家人很多，对不对？All right, so we're gonna go to a township known as 竹田 and a village. 你刚刚讲一个村叫做什么村？
喜思村，西市村。
西市村。Okay, that's a particular village that's worth visiting, and there's got to be a place in there that Leo wants to take us.
它这边有一个很特别的建筑叫做文笔亭。文笔亭，它的建筑形式里面就包括有文房四宝。你知道文房四宝的客家话怎么念吗？
怎么说？请说。
笔就是笔
，yes. Mat 通常是笔墨嘛，
对，
是墨咯。
对，墨。
That's the ink, okay.
字
paper 嘛，这听得知道就是纸，然后砚啊，
就砚台的砚。
That's the inkstone, because these four elements are so important. It's called the four treasures, and it really represents the history of Chinese literature and the culture of education and whatnot. And so this particular pavilion actually houses a lot of items and events that are associated with the four treasures, 就是 pen, ink, paper, and inkstone. 好，有机会的话就是来参观，我们来 review some of these terms. Let's review them. First of all, it's the pavilion called Wonbi Pavilion, 文笔亭。文笔亭 And you can find things associated with the four treasures. 我们来蕊一下笔墨纸砚。
笔墨纸砚。
笔墨纸砚。There you have it. It's all found at 竹田西市村。有空就去参观一下咯，对不对？
超哥。
That does it for today's talk about Hakka.
什么泰嘎？
俺只说张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.